everyone, Double P here and welcome. So today's trading session is Thursday, January 28th, 2022, and today we attacked DraftKings, DKNG. So let's get into it over here real quick. So you see my margin account right there. It says margin, and I'll come over here again. So stock is in real time. So New York Stock Exchange, Amex, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options is a real-time feed. Futures and futures options, I don't trade it, so I don't need the feeds on live for it. Forex and others in real time, that's the way the account is set up, real live account. And you see the time up there. So if I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at my screens up here. So we attacked DKNG, DraftKings, and I attacked it because they had some news that they're going to be opening up another online sports betting mobile in Louisiana there, and that's a pretty heavy state to be gambling. I believe it was let me take a look here. It was it's Louisiana. You can look it up. But anyways, that was the catalyst. So what do we always do? Let's come over here so you can see it on the full screen here. So what do we always do? What's the first thing we do? And I actually mapped this out last night. I was looking at it late at night. I was looking at what was going on with DraftKings, so I knew it would pop. So we always draw out our box, right? That's the first thing we do is we draw our box. So let's kind of crunch this down so that you see it. And I also drew out support and resistance. And as you see here, DraftKings just popped and it hit the high, which is, I got out a little bit early, but we'll get into that in a second. So you see here, I'm on a 2-minute candle here. We wait for the 5-minute setup, trade on the 2-minute and the 1-minute. So when DraftKings opens up, where does it open up? Well, we don't take it in the box, right? We wait, and then we wait, and then we go long when it breaks outside of the box. So I sent the text out to my guys. So let's come over here to the text alert. Let's move that over there. We can shrink that down there. Spoiler alert, you can see how much money I made today, but that's, don't be looking at that yet, okay? So I sent the alert out to my guys. 9:43, it landed in their smartphones. So bought to open 28, January 2022, DKNG, 21 strike call. I block out the number, the limit order and the contract size. You don't need to see that. My guys do. Told them plus 30% profit. Stop loss is a tight 10% on the option trade. Obviously, you see what I made here and when I got out. So let's go over to 9:43. So right here on this bad boy. So let's drop down to the 1 minute so that you see it. And let me blow that up here so it's a little bit bigger for you so you see the timeline. So let's come over here to 9:43. So right there, and you see what happens on these last 3 candles right here. This is the catalyst because this is resistance, right? But you see the catalyst right here. You see the move, and it just bounced and cleared that catalyst. It cleared the resistance and punched through it. That's when I took my entry, right? So you see what happens after that. Beautiful stair stepping, beautiful trade. All we want is a pocket. And at, let's see, 9:56, that's when I got out right here at the top of this cluster. So that would be in the new resistance, the top of that cluster. That's when I got out. And then obviously I got out too short. But then, see that big stop loss right there? When I got in, that's when I got in. And then you look at right there. So, yes, I missed this move right here. But I got out at the top of this resistance right here. Not so much worrying about this. And then this would have brought me back down to literally nothing, getting into the trade again. So it was a good exit to get out there, and then I probably could have got back in here again, and you see here is hitting new highs again, always just ripping. Let's come back over here in a 2-minute. So yeah, I could probably got back in again, but you know what? I'm good with my trade. And we put the option on this side right here, so you see exactly what's going on with DraftKings. Beautiful trade. This is my stop out right here at 54 cents. If it hit 54 cents, that was literally the stop. That would have been it for me. I would have to gauge, do I still stay in the trade? It hit my stop loss, but I seen what was going on with DraftKings. I see it's in the momentum. It's in the momentum drive right now. So look at that beautiful move right there, right? And that rip, right? That's what you want to see. So you're probably curious, probably seen how much I made today, but we'll come over here so that you see it off the trade. So it was a $1,500 day trade for me, 15%, a little bit more than 15% on the option swing, and in and out. So there we go with DraftKings. That was the trade of the day. So always map out support and resistance. Always map out your box. Look for any type of catalyst that's gonna put the stock into a momentum type of run. So let's come over here to the NASDAQ 100. You see the NASDAQ 100 right here. Beautiful. That's what I love to see. Advanced decline line 90 to 1. Let's see what else is breaking out right now. Netflix is on a little bit of a tear, up 9%. And let's see, XLNX is up there as well. Lucid is taking a beating. Not bad, not bad. And let's come over here to the S&P 500. And look at that, eh? Isn't that a beautiful thing to see in the S&P 500? Just total green across the board. Like, that's fantastic, right? That's when you know the markets want a nice little rebound there. So let's look at the visual here. Love it, right? Telsa's down 5%. Ooh, people are taking a beating on Telsa. Right, and I think they had earnings too as well. That's neither here nor there. I'm out. I'm done trading for the day. But look at that board. That's what you love to see, is all green. So that being said, my name is Double P. Somewhere in this video, you're gonna see a link. Click that link. Head on over to my site. Love to get you on board to be part of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group, so that I can teach you and show you how to be a sniper, how to be a highly profitable trader, right? And get in and get out of the marketplace. And that's it. So smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. And I will see you on the other side. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out.